So today I am reviewing these OEM Tools heavy duty spark plug pliers. I bought these because sometimes you rip plug wires and they're hard to grasp onto. Having the right tool really helps, so hopefully these work out well. These were not sent to me or anything. I bought these with my own money. So I can give a very honest review. First off, they have really nice rubber coated, has a nice lock on it right here. There's a nice spring to help you with, and then this prevents it from moving too far. And you have your spring right there, and you can put it up, and you just grasp on to the spark plug wire, this one right here. You don't have to reach down, bust your knuckles, wiggle it out, and it works just like that. Really nice, a lot easier to use, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.